Data science can be used for detecting patterns in consumer behavior. Data science involves working with both structured and unstructured data. Data science is a field that is only suitable for people with advanced degrees. Data science has no impact on improving healthcare outcomes. Data science does not involve any form of storytelling. Data science can be used for fraud detection in financial transactions. Data science is not relevant for addressing environmental issues. Data science is only about numbers and statistics, not about understanding human behavior. Data science is a solitary profession with minimal collaboration. Data science does not require problem-solving skills.